The confectionery landscape is changing. Today's consumers are looking for healthier options, sustainable practices, and social responsibility. In addition to changing consumer demand, regulatory and labeling requirements are becoming stricter too, requiring more transparency across the entire supply chain. To stay profitable in this competitive and evolving market, you need the right tools to accurately manage recipe development, track inventory, and ensure the safety and quality of everything you produce. Aptean Food and Beverage ERP is designed with a deep knowledge of your confectionery's unique business requirements, safety needs, and regulatory demands. With Aptean's complete solution for confectioneries, you can meet demands for transparency and sustainability while increasing consumer confidence. Manage bulk ingredients throughout processing and formulation. Comply with food safety standards and ensure allergens are monitored, tracked, and segregated from other ingredients. And seamlessly capture production and maintenance data down to individual machines and processes. By optimizing all these business processes, you can unlock greater visibility to keep your business agile and poised for success. Confectioneries face unique challenges that require specific solutions. Aptean can help you tackle these challenges and more with ease.